Hello beautiful people, my name is Polly, I'm from Charming Tavi, and today I'm going to show you something interesting. I hope that it will be interesting. One little books like this that you can make and sew, of course. You can make it with all kind of different cardstock, which is cool. The measurements of those little books are this. So I guess they're pretty small. You can use them in junk journals or like a present for someone very special person. Personally, I love those mini books because I like small things, and I believe that this tutorial will be short and probably interesting. I hope, of course, it's going to be interesting. So first of all, I'm going to remove all the things, and I prepared some as you can see, some papers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 papers, 8 mini papers in those with those measurements. So I'm going to start scoring. Six, so it's maybe here. Okay. The one that you're hearing in the back, it's my cat. Yes, she's here. She wants something. Let's score all of them. If you don't have scoring board, you can make it with fingers. Or like this. It's more difficult. Let's put them together. It's faster without scoring board. I don't know why. It's very strange. Usually I'm using scoring board. I'm using antique papers. And this paper that you can see, it's from my new kit, so to see. You can see them in my Etsy shop. I made also journaling pages, so you can see the digital paper, and you can see also the journaling pages. There it is. I'm going to use this distress ink for a more vintage look. It doesn't matter in which, as you can see, you can flip it like this or like this, doesn't matter, because there aren't any signatures to say where is the back and the front cover, which is cool. I'm doing these things. I am not using score or measurements or scoring board because the book is little. It doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful. Let me take a scissor that is in the back. Okay, there it is. I think it's tight enough. Oh, looks very, very beautiful and very fast to make it. I'm going to put this little book to my next junk journal. So I hope that you like this tutorial. Please subscribe if you like of my tutorials, and have an amazing day. Bye bye.